So the backing block here, this is a standard 22.5 inch wide stud bay, and the backing block is made out of 3/4 inch plywood, nice and stiff, and it's just anchored with a couple of cleats. If I know that I'm doing a bunch of these and I'm working with the same thickness of plywood, I'll make myself a jig so I can line out exactly where to put my cleats. In this case, we're at 3/4 of an inch, and I have a pencil line now, so it's real easy for me to put my cleats against the pencil line in any part of the wall. So, you know, we've got 5 or 6 duct penetrations in Retarder. The efficient way to do it would be just to mark at each location with the jig, draw the line, and gun nail in whatever scrap you might have for cleats. Once again, the hole that we cut, being a 6-inch duct, 6¼ inch hole saw should do great. Next step is we're going to talk about the vapor retarder and also our gasket used to seal this duct, to air seal this duct on the inside.